In this video, I'll be using PDQ Deploy to package and deploy K-Lite Code Pack. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. Also, in the bottom of the page, you can find more of my videos that are related to this topic. For example, here you can find videos about my Windows Server setup, and also there is a video about my PDQ Deploy setup. And now I will begin this video by downloading the executable installation files, and for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the K-Lite Code Pack download page. I will be downloading the standard version, so I'll click on download standard. I will select the server one here, then I will go to my downloads folder. And now I will right click on the executable, select copy, and then I will go to my VMware workstation where I have my Windows environment. And here I will be placing the executable in a network share that is accessible by my users and computers, and for that I will open File Explorer. And here I will enter my file server's name, SRV02. Here I have the software share, I will go inside of it and I will create a new folder here. I will name it K-Lite Code Pack. And then I will go inside of it and I will place the executable here. And now I can start creating my package, and for that I will go to PDQ Deploy. I will right click on packages. Then I will select new package. I will name the package K-Lite Code Pack. Then I will click on steps, install. Here we need to provide our installation executable file, and for that I will click on the button right here. Then once again, I will go to my file server, SRV02, software share, K-Lite Code Pack folder, and select the executable that I have here. Also, we need to provide silent switches for this package, and for that I will go back to my GitHub page. And here I have the silent switches that I will be using, so I will click on this button right here to copy the value, go back to PDQ Deploy, and I will insert the value in this field right here. And that's basically all that we need to do for this package. I will click on save, and then I will close this window. And now I will be deploying this package for few of my clients. So I will select the package here, then I will click on deploy and deploy once. Now I will select my targets by clicking on choose targets, Active Directory, and computers. I will select my client 01 and client 02, then I will click on this button right here. As you can see, my targets appeared here. Now we can click OK and deploy now. And now we need to wait a bit. And that's it, the deployment is over. We can see that it was successful for both of my clients, but I will double check by going to client 01 that I have here. Then I will go to start menu, all apps, and search for K-Lite Code Pack here. We can see it here. And if I open Media Player Classic, it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.